Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber or returning viewer, thank you for coming back to my channel. Okay, so you have to excuse my voice. I have said that this rainy season is not my favorite season in the year. I'm so sorry. I battle with a lot of cold and cough during this period, so my voice is a little funky, so you have to excuse me. But I bet you can hear me because I'm using AirPods this morning. Okay, so today, like the thumbnail says, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a lotion that seems to be creeping into the market, and a lot of people have a lot of questions about this product. Okay, and I have used it for a week, and not a week, like 2 weeks, you guys, just because I wanted to give you a review about this product. So I used it for 2 weeks, and I can't tell you to a degree what I've noticed about this product. Okay, so if you want to know about this product, like the thumbnail says, keep watching this video. So this is the BB Clear um, cream, as you can see. Okay, BB Clear seems to be one of those products that is now in the market and everyone is beginning to get accustomed to, and the it's been in the market for quite a while. However, many people haven't really tried all the products. I have used the serum. I like the serum in face creams. I really like the serum in face creams. It has a face cream on its own. It has the soap, and it also has the lotion, the cream. I think there are two sizes to this, but this is the big one. This big one I'm going to be talking about today. Okay, so let me just quickly read what's written on it. It has a lot of French in it as well. So it's made in Lome, Togo. It's a Togolese cream. So this is the BB Clear Serum 5 in 1, anti-dark spots, two-tone corrector, anti-aging, anti-stretch marks, skin toning and firming. It has SPF 15. It has active fruits in it and vitamin C as well. Let me just read what it says. So BB Clear Lightning Care. BB Clear Lightning Care English. BB Clear combines the pigmenting plant-based ingredients with exfoliating efficiency of fatty acid. It improves the appearance of skin and helps repair dark spots and sun damage for younger looking silky skin. BB Clear skin lighten your skin while revitalizes and makes it smooth and beautiful radiance. Adapted to all skin types, so I'm guessing that means it is suitable for all skin types. Um, Use once or twice daily on a perfectly cleansed skin. Limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. Okay. Yeah, definitely if you're using any lightning lotion, especially a lotion that contains a lot of fruity acids and vitamin C in it, you definitely want to stay away from the sun. Okay, the ingredients here are demineralized water, paraffinium liquidium, stearic acid, cetyl and stearic alcohol, isopropyl mistrate, glycerin, propylene glycol. Those are ingredients that make cream bases to make sure that the oil and water comes together. The propylene glycol make sure that it's absorbs into your skin, and the glycerin is a humectant. It's going to make sure that it draws moisture to your skin, so this is going to keep your skin moisturized. Okay, it has sodium metabisulfite, coconut oil, argan oil, carrot oil, rosehip oil, sodium lactate, lactic acid, AHA, vitamin B5, vitamin E, ascorbic acid, citric acid, UV protection, and fragrance. Okay, yes, that was a mouthful. But this product has a lot of skin brightening ingredients, a lot of moisturizing ingredients, as well as sun protection factor. It has SPF 15, which is definitely not enough for a regular day. So it has a level of protection, but it's not that much level of protection. These products, in my opinion, is similar to the way Bronze Stone works. So if you have enjoyed the Bronze Stone lotion, I think someone called me the queen of Bronze Stone lotion the other day, because my video seems to be I think most watched, or has a lot of information about bronzestone, because I have first-hand experience using this lotion. I used that lotion for a long period of time. I used that lotion for 6 months, and I enjoyed every single month of using that product. So that product was good. I believe this is also going to be good as well. Okay, this lotion works, like I said, similar to the bronzestone lotion. I'm going to show you the consistency of this product. It's a lotion because I saw the way it dropped. It absorbs into your skin easily. It absorbs into your skin easily. It melts in immediately. So that is why I really do like this lotion. It doesn't really have that much of a fragrance. It smells really nice. It keeps your skin moisturized because of the ingredients present in this product, like I said. So this is something that you're going to enjoy using. It doesn't really have a foul smell of any sort. It's very moisturizing, guys, to the skin. So if you're someone that has dry skin, this is definitely something that you're going to enjoy using. Okay, so this product comes in a range. It has the soap, like I said. It has the serum. It has the face cream. The face cream is good. Oh no, if you're looking for a lightening face cream, get the BB Clear face cream. The face cream is good. Okay, now for this lotion, you can use it alone and still get 1 to 2 shades lighter. You can also mix it with the serum. When you want to mix with the serum, I would say do 1 serum to half a bottle of this lotion if you want to get much more effect. But this is a very good lotion. So if you enjoyed using the bronzestone lotion, like I said, you will enjoy using this lotion. This product is 300 ml. It is 300 ml, and it's a very good face cream, to be honest. As for the dark spots on the body, it will work for dark spots on the body. Not something that you've had long term, okay? Something that you've had for a short period of time, maybe just a very quick one. It will fade it off for you. And I would also recommend using it up to the neck area of your body with this lotion. This is a great skin lightening lotion, to be honest. If you're someone who is light skin and your skin is not really bright, it's dull, this is something that you can use. It contains a lot of AHA and fruity acids that you will enjoy using. I did not experience stretch marks while using this product. I did experience a little bit of dark knuckles when using this product, so you might want to try to focus more on your knuckles when using this product, or try to have a much more, maybe have a knuckle lotion while using this. Some people say it clears their knuckles, but I've never really had dark knuckles, so I did experience this while using it. But that doesn't change the way I feel about this cream. It is a good cream, just that I'm learning now to actually use my knuckle cream on my knuckles while using this product. Even with bronzestone, I didn't notice knuckles with bronzestone, but some people notice knuckles with bronzestone. So this is something that, depending on skin type and usage, everyone experiences one thing or the other while using products like this. Me, I like the cream. I like it. I like the fact that it's very moisturizing, absorbs into the skin. This kind of cream, if you use during Harmattan period or cold season, you will enjoy it, okay? But maybe during hot season, you might sweat a lot while using it because it is very moisturizing on the skin. I like that. A lot of lightening creams tend to dry out your skin, but this one moisturizes. You can't go ahead to add more oil if you feel like it doesn't give you that moisturization enough. You can add more oil. I would recommend using this with the soap and the face cream together, and you can skip the serum, but it's a very good lightening cream. So this is one of the best creams in the market. This cream costs 2,000 naira. So it's more expensive than bronzestone, but of course it has more products than bronzestone. However, this is a very good product to use. Okay, so this is a check for me. I don't review lotions that are not good, or I might review a lotion that a lot of people are raving about and you guys might not like it. Or that's what I'm saying, is I review products based on my experience using them. Okay, so my experience might be different from someone else's experience, but I like this lotion. Okay, it doesn't smell like cheap lotion. It smells good, and it does do the work that it says it's going to do. So yeah, this is a good lotion. Some of the English is very funny, but yeah, it's a good lotion. Okay, so when using this, you definitely don't want to step out in the sun. You don't want to use this and be walking in the sun, you will burn. So it has level of sun protection, but not so much. You can apply sunscreen, but I really would not advise using lightening cream morning and night. Just apply an oil during the daytime or a moisturizing lotion and move on with your day, at least knowing that you're not going to get burnt or hot during the day. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you have any comments regarding this lotion, if you feel like I didn't answer a question regarding this lotion, you can leave it in the comment section below. But I think I did justice to this lotion. Okay, yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.